have a list of transcription companies currently hiring both beginner and experienced transcriptionists. These companies are hiring globally, so it doesn't matter where you live. Many of these companies offer remote transcription work, allowing you to work from home and set your own schedule. To get started, you will need to complete a simple sign-up process on their websites, which usually includes taking a short transcription test. Once you pass, you'll be contracted with more details. The benefits of these jobs include the flexibility to work from home, create your own hours, and receive weekly payments through PayPal. However, if you don't have a PayPal account, you will need to set up one to receive payments. Depending on the company, you can earn anywhere between $2 to even $26 per audio hour. It is important to note that this rate is based on the length of the audio file, not the actual time you spend working. For example, if you transcribe an hour-long file, you'll be paid for that hour regardless of how long it takes you to complete it. Most of these transcription companies allow you to choose which files you want to work on, and the sign-up process is usually straightforward. To get started, you will need a computer, some good headphones if you can buy them, and a reliable internet connection. Once you pass your test, you can work as much or as little as you like. However, for some companies, you might complete at least 2 hours of audio transcription each week to keep your account active. Payments are typically made weekly via PayPal, and most companies have a minimum earnings threshold for payouts, such as $3 or even $10. The amount you can earn also varies based on your typing speed and experience. While beginners are welcomed, experienced transcribers who can type 50+ words per minute often earn more. So the more experience you get, the more chance you will have to make more money. So now let's talk about these websites. The first website is totally beginner friendly. If you know nothing about transcription but your English is good and you pass the test, Casting Words is just for you. They have over 215,000 transcriptionists. Mostly they are beginners and they are making money on this website. You can earn anywhere between 20 cents to 50 cents per 1 minute audio. Another good thing about this website is that the beginners will usually get a minute long to transcribe. The second website is GoTranscript. GoTranscript is also for beginners but also for intermediates. They also pay a little bit more and they start from 60 cents and you can earn up to $150 per month. If you are a little bit more experienced and not intermediate or beginner, you can earn up to $1,200 per month. The last website is usually for intermediate to experienced. The name of the website is rev.com. The average earnings per month on rev.com is $245, and if you are experienced, then you can earn up to $1,500 per month. Rev is a little bit harder to get into. Once you take the test, you might wait for 3 weeks or even a month to get a reply. But once you get into it, you will start making good money. So those are the 3 websites that I will recommend you, starting from beginner, intermediate to experienced. You don't need to stick to just one website. You can go ahead and try 3 of them and see which one accepts you first. If you like the video, subscribe, like, and share it with family and friends.